Here I've got Apple iPhone SE from 2020, and let me show you how to turn messages notification on or off. So let's open the settings at first. Now scroll down and find notifications, and here under notification style you have to find messages. So here you've got it, and now over here you can see the layout of the notifications, and it can be lock screen or you can deactivate it. You can deactivate the notification center or you can stay with it, and also the banners. It's the same way, you can activate it or deactivate it, it's up to you. If you will click on the banners, if you will activate it, you can smoothly select the banner style, just click here and you can choose temporary or persistent. It's up to you, so whichever you prefer. You can also customize the sounds and the badges, so it's up to you, whichever you prefer, and also the sound, just click here. You can pick whichever you would like to have. And let me pick popcorn. So that's basically all. Obviously you can turn off all notifications if you want to, just by tapping here, and from now on you will not receive any notification from messages, but I would like to activate it and I would like to leave all the free options. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.